Hey, what's up everybody? Mark here. So today we're going to try out something a little different. We're going to try out some hydrated Bigma spray paint. Got a few different colors here and a couple controller stands, as well as a SSD cover. And we're going to try out something special in the end. I haven't done this before, so let's see how this goes. So right now we're just going to clean a couple things. I've just got some 99% alcohol and I'm just going to wipe some of these on the edges. They're a little rough too, so I've just been kind of hitting them with the back of some scissors to clean it up. It works fine. Alright, so we're just going to spray some paint over here. Let's hit some blue first. Hit a little bit of purple. Some more blue. And a little silver. Ooh. A little black. And some more purple. A little more blue. Now, let's see. Now let's wipe away the rest. And there's our first controller stand. That looks really cool right there. All right, and we're gonna wipe this away with a paper towel. And let's hit some more. Alright, so the surprise I was talking about, we have a really yellowed Sega Saturn here. Got everything taped up. Let's see how this goes. Alright, and we're back, everyone. It's been a couple weeks, had plenty of time for everything to cure. I've honestly just been waiting on some replacement logos that came from Poland. So, let's open these up. And there's our Sega Saturn logo there, if you can see. Our replacement Sega logo. I don't know if anybody can see that either. I know I'm going to use the Sega Saturn one. That's honestly about identical to factory. I may or may not use the Sega logo here. We'll find out, but I wanted to at least put this on with clear coat when I do it all as once so it's down properly. So everything's had time to cure and dry pretty well. I do plan to definitely wet sand the Sega Saturn. I may try clear coating a few of the controller stands, but to be honest, the texture turned out fantastic. The texture of the 3D printer with the Hydro Dip just kind of worked really well together, and I like it. And this paint's meant for like patio furniture and things, so it should be pretty durable. Phone case turned out pretty awesome as well. SSD cover had a few bubbles. One thing I will say I have learned is don't double dip unless you really know you're gonna put a ton of work into this. It was the first time trying it out, and my friend and I were going back and forth. We decided, sure, let's try it. So, let's move on. Well, I guess now's a good time to wrap things up. It actually took quite a while to film this video. It's been just over 2 months. Between having to wait on cure times and stickers coming from Poland, it took quite a while, but I wanted to get it right. I have learned quite a bit about hydro dipping since then. Definitely, if you want to double dip, wait on it to at least dry to the surface touch. Don't spray your paint too thick, it's going to be blotchy, and try to use warmer water. Look out in the near future, I do plan to release a video just giving a little more in-depth on what I did with the Sega Saturn there. And if you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and ding that bell so you get notified every time I release content like this in the future. Leave a comment if you have any suggestions for future topics. Thanks for watching, and until next time.